Hi kids, I'm Teacher Stephie, your online reading teacher. Are you ready to read with me? Okay, let's begin. In this lesson, we are going to practice sight words. Goes, ate, never, better. Let's get started. Which one says goes? Say it with me. Goes, goes, goes. Let's use it in a sentence. He goes to school. Where is the word ate? Say it with me. Ate, ate, ate. Let's use it in a sentence. I see 8 bugs. Which one says never? Say it with me. Never, never, never. Let's use it in a sentence. I never eat dirt. Where is the word better? Say it with me. Better, better, better. Let's use it in a sentence. This bag is better. Now let's practice more sentences. She goes to the park. Again. She goes to the park. Now you read. Good job. He goes to the store. Again. He goes to the store. Now you try. Nice reading. The dog goes fast. Again. The dog goes fast. Now you read. Very good. Where does he go? I have 8 cups. Again. I have 8 cups. Now you try. Good job. 8 cats nap here. Again. 8 cats nap here. Now you read. Nice reading. I can do better. Again. I can do better. Now you try. Very good. How many cats nap? I never eat bugs. Again. I never eat bugs. Now you read. Good job. They never yell. Again. They never yell. Now you try. Nice reading. This dish is better. Again. This dish is better. Now you read. Very good. What is better? Let's review our sight words. Goes, ate, never, better. Let's read all the sentences again. She goes to the park. He goes to the store. The dog goes fast. I have 8 cups. 8 cats nap here. I can do better. I never eat bugs. They never yell. This dish is better. Great job reading today. See you next time.